Next up, we have datarisk.
Hello guys, thank you Plug and Play for the opportunity. My name is Luis Henrique Lourenço and I'm a business analyst here at datarisk. So we have a really simple agenda here. I'll make an overview of the company, then I will talk about our products and some consulting cases that we built over the years. So datarisk is an AI product-focused Brazilian startup. Over our 3 years of existence, we developed some proprietary products with our own technology, and we developed other products out of consulting cases. It's worth mentioning that datarisk was founded with the purpose to democratize data science. So our main product, which is databred, is a SaaS auto machine learning platform that basically from a raw database, you can get a machine learning model. We also have data check, which is a OCR platform that can identify fraud analysis during the client's onboarding process. And we also have our AI consulting team that basically solve problems through AI. Talking a little bit more about databred. So this is what the traditional modeling cycle looks like in big organizations such as big banks and large organizations. So our founders, they basically work with machine learning since it's not called that way. So they have a really interesting background working with machine learning and artificial intelligence, and they saw an opportunity to make it accessible to a bigger audience once you can automate the whole cycle. So this is what the modeling cycle looks like on our platform. Basically, from a raw database, we can produce a machine learning model, and once the model is built, you can consume this model by one of our APIs. So the main idea of this product is something that was mentioned a lot during the panel. It's about democratizing data science, it's about reaching a bigger audience. So just one thing that I would like to put that I think is worth mentioning, that a big part of the success of this product is the part of the support. So once you're aiming for a non-technical audience, you have to give them the tools to really understand your product and to really make sure they use this on their organizations in order to produce value. So this is one case of usage of our product. It's a company here in Brazil that works with student credit. They had a really short-staffed team and a team of people that are just starting their career. So within 8 months, they were able to produce 26 models, and they were able to expand machine learning usage through other verticals like churn, collection, other than just credit. So our product helped them expand machine learning usage throughout the organization. This other case is a product distributor. This one, we also did a consulting project. So their challenge was to diminish default in their operations. So we did a little consulting project for them. We developed a credit and churn model. We've designed credit policies and churn policies based on the model. And we also did a chatbot, so their sales representatives could consult these policies in real time when they are at the point of sale to actually sell those products. So our solution reduced default in over 30%. And I think what is the biggest achievement here is that we built a solution that was really easy for the people that most need it, which was the sales representatives. So this is data check. This is our SaaS OCR platform. It is focused to identify fraud through face match, signature match, and we also, through the OCR technology, we can consult the document information of the client to see if it's actually the same person. And now I would like to disclose some consulting cases. This is a steel manufacturer here in Brazil. They had they wanted to automatize its credit process. The old process used to take 4 hours to manually input the balance sheet information, do all the calculations, and also choose the credit policy they wanted to apply. So we built for them a customized solution that in OCR, we use an OCR technology to extract the balance sheet information. The platform could consult the company's information on Brazilian credit bureaus. The credit analyst, once they had all the information, could handpick a credit policy to apply. And all the process that usually took 4 hours is now made in 30 seconds. Also, our last case is a collection bureau here in Brazil. They wanted to optimize its efforts, so they hired us to develop a collection model. We built them a collection model using data from the historical data from calls and payments. We did a model, we compare our performance with the organization's performance, and we boost their performance in 64% in just 3 days. So this is it about data risk. I hope you guys could see some of the trends that we see in data analytics. We talk about collection models. On the panel, we heard about fraud models. Credit models are already something that organizations see great value in. So I hope this expands the whole idea of data analytics. Thank you.
Thank you, Luis. So we have a question from the panel here, or from the audience rather. So the panel mentioned that non-technical users may be able to build point solutions, but have difficulty building scalable solutions to reuse. How do you address this issue?
I'm not sure if you understood the question, but our infrastructure is something that really aims to resolve problems as scaling machine learning models. So once the model is built, it's already available an API to score it. So if I'm correct in my understanding of the question, our concern with the infrastructure is already something that really can help achieve greater usage of machine learning within organizations.
Got it. And then second question, which markets are you operating in?
We're operating in Brazilian market. We are more focused on credit because we think the credit market is already more mature and they see more value on our solutions. They already have a lot of contact with machine learning as a standard tool in the market. But we position ourselves as a company that can solve any problems because data is something really generalistic. So we position ourselves this way.
Got it. Thank you. Appreciate it, Luis. And that's Data Risk. Click in the poll if you'd like an introduction.